it's mwah, the baddest, the one. You need to put down the Snicker bar. I see you. I see you over there in the corner. I see you. I see you. Put the fucking Snicker bar down. Put it down. Put it down. Into the video. All right, so first on my list, what I did to get rid of all that back fat: exercise. Exercise really plays in a big role if you want to change your body composition, because you can change your body composition just by eating right too. Might be a little slower. Exercising just really like speeds up the process, and it definitely sped up the process for me, because I was working out like about 4 to 5 times a week, and I tried to be very, 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 very consistent, especially during quarantine. I didn't have shit to do, so why not exercise? So that's what I did about every single day up till I started school again, and it has been very, very hard for me to exercise now with the crazy schedule I got. But I do try to eat right throughout the week. Every now and then I might cheat a little bit, but I do not overdo it. So with exercising, so what I usually do, I do Chloe Ting. If I can insert, I'm gonna insert her YouTube videos in the description box so y'all can see her videos. Her videos are so good. Like, if without her, I probably still would have some rolls, my little jelly rolls. But her, I really, really love Chloe Ting. And the thing about it, her exercises are only like 10 minutes, 20 minutes. Sometimes she has longer videos for like HIIT, if you want to do that extreme shit. But mainly I do the, I'll either do the 2 weeks ab challenge workout, or I'll do the love handles one. And they really like, it's a full body. So you're working every part, every muscle, and I feel like that's really good, especially if you want to like get rid of certain fatty parts of your body. You got to do a full body workout. I didn't just stick to one thing, bitch. I did full body, jumping, rolling, tucking, bitch, hurling over hoops. I did it all to get rid of this back fat, and I did it in here. I didn't even have to go outside. I mean, sometimes I went outside if I wanted to, you know, have a different scenery. But I got me a yoga mat from 5 and Below. I got me some a 5-pound weight from 5 and Below, $5, $10, and I got me some resistance band. That was $5. 15 bucks. 15 bucks. That's all it takes to be a bad bitch in your house. A bad bitch in your house. Who needs a gym when you got Chloe Ting? Like, come on. And y'all need to really check her out. Like, they have other good YouTubers. I just never really looked at their workout videos, but Chloe Ting, she's really like top of my list. Like, I really love her. Thank you, Chloe, for these videos, because without you, I would have been a blueberry. And that actually, me doing all those exercising, changing the way I eat, which I'm about to get into next, really plays a role in how that fat just literally slides off your body. Right, so the next thing that I did to lose all that back fat, I had to change the way I was eating. I used to drink Sprite every day. I used to eat fast food every day. I used to do a lot of stuff every day, especially I'm a smoker, so bitch, I get high, okay? And I know when we get high, we get the fucking munchies. And bitch, I was like, you gotta stop. I was like, I still get high, but I eat better. I eat cooked stuff. I don't eat fried stuff, okay? Well, I prefer baked, steamed, whatever. But definitely, I cut up. I don't even eat fast food. Stop drinking soda. I try to drink about 4 or 5 water bottles a day. Lemon water. That's key. Lemon water, put a little bit of apple cider vinegar with mother in it. Make sure it has mother on the bottle, and put that either in my water, put that even in my tea, drink that throughout the day. And pretty much that's how I really got there. And also I did a calorie deficit, so I really cut back on how many calories intake I took a day. Like, I really started counting my calories like a crazy person. And I bought a scale too. Buying a scale is important because you need to see what, like, you know, you need to see your progress. You need to see am I doing something right? Am I doing something wrong? In order for you to know that, oh, something has to change because I'm not seeing results. So yeah, definitely buy you a scale and leave all that food alone. All that processed food, it is not good for you. And especially if you intake too many calories a day and your body, your metabolism isn't up to par to where it can literally slide, like that shit just, you know, do what it's supposed to do, then that is going to store as fat. And when it stores as fat, you're going to get in your love handles, you're going to get in your back, you're going to get in your gut, your sides, literally everywhere, your face, arms. So you definitely gotta cut back on a couple of calories. It don't even gotta be nothing major, but me, I think I tried to eat like 1,000 calories a day, or 1,200, 1,000 or 1,200 a day, maybe less than that sometimes, because I was eating like once a day. Yep, I ate once a day. And also fasting plays a big role too. I like to fast a lot, and I still fast because I feel like it's good for mind, body, and soul. You know, a gap where you just stop eating. There also are many methods of fasting. For me, I try to give myself 12-hour gaps in between my meals. Well, when I was eating once, I don't really, sometimes I eat once a day, sometimes I don't. So sometimes I might eat twice, sometimes I might eat once. But if I'm eating once a day, I don't really eat breakfast like that. But so 12 o'clock hits, I'll not eat breakfast. I'll probably eat my first meal about 4 or 5 o'clock in the afternoon. And once I eat in the middle of the day like that, I don't be hungry for the rest of the day. I drink some matchas or some green tea. I mean, same thing, but different versions. I drink that after my meal, and I just find something productive to do. Just, you know, just so I'm active and I know that at least I'm burning off calories because I'm doing something. I don't want to just eat and lay in bed. That is how them calories sit. You gotta be active after you eat. You gotta do something at least. At least drink some tea. Drink some green tea. That helps. So, you know, it gets your metabolism running. And that's another thing. Green tea. Make sure you drink some green tea because that's key. Like, that really boosts your metabolism. If you guys really want to look up what the benefits of green tea are, it's really good. I'm drinking some right now as we speak. Okay, so yeah, just definitely keeping up with your water intake, drinking green tea, being active, calorie deficits. You know, you really got to change the way that you eat in order to see results. Because if you just keep eating whatever you want, then you're not going to see results. You're not. Maybe some people might, I don't know. But for me, I wasn't seeing the results. So I had to do something differently. And yeah, that's pretty much what I did to lose that back fat and also to lose weight as well. I'm going to do another video on how I lost all that weight, what I did. But with the back fat, if you really... Oh yeah, also with losing back fat, you really gotta focus on doing exercises that are, you know, planks or push-ups or anything that makes you use your arms or your back, you know, that requires back strength, arm strength. That really helps. Like, you gotta always make sure you're doing some type of arm day. Like, arm day is important. If you want to get rid of that back fat, then you definitely gotta put in the work with your arms. That's why I got some weights, some resistant bands, and also with Chloe Teen, she does have some exercises that I'm gonna also link in the description box with getting rid of back fat and the exercises that I do too as well on top of that. And I like to do at least about 2 of Chloe Teen exercises a day. I do my workouts early in the morning. That's the first thing I do before I do anything, before I go to work, before anything. But like I said, with my hectic schedule, me working out has been hard. So when I find the time, I do it. But I do try to eat good throughout the week. All right, last but not least, I just want to say that really getting rid of all that weight, all that extra fat on your body that just sits there, it really takes a lot of discipline. You gotta be disciplined. There have been so many times where I didn't want to work out, but I was like, well, do you want to look like this forever? I was like, hell no. So I got the fuck up out that bed and I put in the work for it. Like, you really gotta work for it. If you just put your mind to it, be disciplined, eat, at least try to eat like eat about 5 good times throughout the week. You can cheat Saturday and Sunday. Try to eat good at least 5 days throughout the week. And my favorite meals I like to eat while I was getting rid of my back fat were tuna and salmon. They are both high in protein, and they're also two fatty foods that are, that's food that are meant to slimmer your waistline and your back as well. So if you guys go look up what the benefits of tuna and salmon are, you'll see that they are very nutritious. They are good fats. You got to eat good fats if you want to get rid of fat. You got to work out, eat good, and eat foods that are rich in fats that gets rid of stuff like that. And I think, yeah, that's mainly, it just makes salmon, broccoli, mushrooms, carrots. I ate a lot of vegetables, and I ate a lot of fish too. I didn't really stick to red meats. Like, I don't think, I was trying to eat more fish more than anything, especially salmon. But I ate other fish too, like catfish, tilapia, even though that's not a real fish. That's not my fish of choice. I don't choose to eat it, but sometimes that's all I got. Because I don't want no fast food. I don't want beef. But I did eat beef every once in a while if I wanted like beef and broccoli, or just a little nice piece of steak. But yeah, so like foods like that are rich in nutrition, you really gotta eat good, like, bitch. And don't go to Walmart for produce. Walmart produce is trash. Walmart meat is trash. Walmart seafood is trash. Baby, go to Trader Joe's. I'd rather you go to Trader Joe's, Robert's, Whole Food, or Ross's. Like, those are your best options. And I know y'all can hear him in the background. But yes, get your produce, not from Walmart. Don't go to Walmart for produce or fish or anything. No, the only thing I got at Walmart is hair products, lotions and shit, body care, face care shit. I don't go for the food, probably like some granola bars, but produce and meats and fish and shit, do not go to Walmart. That shit is bad, especially their fruit. They suck. They're horrible. Walmart, no, don't go there. Like I said, go to Robert's, Ross's, Whole Food, Trader Joe's. That's about it. Don't eat that shit from Walmart. You might die. But yes, that is very important too as well. Plus your water intake. You want to make sure you're drinking a lot of water and you're flushing your body out. That is important. Flush your body out. Detox every once in a while. That's good too as well. Take a nice shit. You always need a nice shit every once in a while. So yeah, definitely intake water. At least try to drink. Some people drink gallons a day. That's even better. Me, I don't choose to carry around a gallon of water, but I do drink up to 4 to 5 bottles of water a day to make sure I am flushing my body out, all those toxins, and plus for my face as well. As y'all can see, you gotta make sure we got this skin together. And also I think like eating fast food and stuff, I feel like that fucks with your face, that fucks with your mental, that fucks with your body. That's why I don't really choose to eat it anymore. Like, I used to feel so bad every time I would eat fast food. I don't know what the fuck was going on, but I felt like no. Fast food is just horrible. I mean, every now and then I'll go get me a hot and spice. I ain't even gonna knock it, or 4 for 4. So every now and then, this ain't often. And then plus I gotta be craving really bad, because I don't have a craving for fast food anymore. Like, I really don't. I don't crave that shit. Like, anytime I crave something, I want something cooked food. And that's another way to get away from fast food. Even if the food is bad, as long as it's cooked, somebody cooked it, that will be fine by me. I don't want that processed shit, because it don't even taste right anymore. It don't taste right to me. Plus cold drinks, leave that shit alone. Drink water. Like, literally water is like my main drink of choice. Every now and then I'll treat myself to a Sprite, but it's only going to be one of them. I'm not going to overdo it. One, that's it. Capiche. And definitely you gotta really be disciplined. So I hope you guys can learn to be disciplined, because it took a lot of motivation for me to get my ass up and actually put the work in for it. And I've seen that when you put in work and when you're consistent, results, you do get results. So you see my results, so I hope you can see results for you too as well.